Hello friends, and welcome back to Home Cents with Nell. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever needed to clean your patio but weren't quite sure how to do it? Well, that was the situation we found ourselves in last weekend. Our patio has been caked with years of dirt and moss and probably charcoal, and nothing seemed to get it off. So we decided to go ahead and try pressure washing. If you want to know how we did it, just stick with us. So guys, since this was basically our first day pressure washing, we wanted to be really careful to put on our personal protective equipment and also to read the manual. So we put on gloves and goggles and we read the manual very carefully before we got started. Our pressure washer is a Generac and it's gasoline powered. So we checked the gas levels and also the oil levels before we got started. Our manual advises keeping the spray about 8 to 24 inches from the surface that you want to clean, and also making very sure that you don't direct this wand at any person because the pressure of the water is so strong that it can cut your skin. So you do have to be careful. But other than that, it's a very effective tool. Now here on my channel, we talk about home decor, DIYs, product hauls, gardening, and basically everything related to making your home your sanctuary on a budget. If that's your thing, please comment and subscribe. I'd love to hear from you. So here we are attaching the water hose and also the pressure wand hose to the back of the machine. And next my husband is just clearing out any air bubbles that might have been left in the hose. Our machine has a throttle clutch system to start with. There's the gas tank. And this is where you pour in your oil, and you can also check your oil levels just like in a car. You check the dipstick. Here we go. I wanted to caution you guys that if you have any small holes like this in your patio, be very careful because the pressure of the water can actually make them bigger. It can disintegrate the concrete or the cement that your patio is made out of. So just be aware of that. Also guys, if you find some really stubborn areas on your patio, feel free to use a push broom or some commercially available patio cleaner to help get those stubborn areas loosened a little bit. Honestly, I think it's optional. I don't think it's necessary, but if you like to do that, there are detergents available for that. Another thing I wanted to add is that the pressure washer, the only cons I feel to the pressure washer are the noise, because it is a little loud. I would recommend ear protection. And also the fact that with ours anyway, you do need to purchase and store gasoline. In total, we used about 3 gallons to do our entire back patio. I'm not showing the entire process on this video because it would be too long, but I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what the pressure washer could do. So until next time, this is Nell with Home Cents with Nell, and I hope you come back and join me another time.